Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about some of the important points related to anatomy. First we will see the structural and functional unit of the system. First, the structural and functional unit of life is cell. For brain or central nervous system is neuron. Digestive system structural functional unit is villi. For respiratory system it is alveoli. For the kidney it is nephron. For the circulatory system it is capillary. For the placenta the structural and functional unit is chorionic villi. For the ovary these are the follicles that are working as a structural and functional unit of ovary. Functional unit of male reproductive system is seminiferous tubule. Red blood cells are also known as erythrocyte, whereas white blood cells are known as leukocyte. Platelets are called as thrombocyte and hepatocyte are known as liver cell. Wherever you find a word hepato or hepatic, that will be related with the liver. Anywhere you are finding a word that is renal, it will be related with the kidney. If you are find a word that is cardiac, it will be related to heart. Derma, it will be related with the skin. Ophtha, it will be related to eye. Oto, it will be related to ear. Or auricle, it will also related with the ear. So wherever we are finding these words, we have to identify which systems we are talking. The functional unit of compact bone is osteon or Haversian canal. Structural unit of spongy bone tissue or cancellous bone is trabecula. Adult rickets is also known as osteomalacia. In osteomalacia, there is softening of bone because of deficiency of vitamin D and calcium. Apex of the heart is situated in adult on the left side, 5th intercostal space from the mid-clavicular line. Base of the heart is located on the 2nd intercostal space. Hormones that are secreted from anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary is also known as adenohypophysis. It secretes 6 hormones. One is growth hormone, adrenocorticotrophin hormone or ACTH, thyroid stimulating hormone T3, T4 and TSH. Prolactin is known as milk secreting hormone. Most important question that is asked into the exam. GnRH, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone. FSH and LH. FSH is follicular stimulating hormone and LH is luteinizing hormone. These are the 6 hormones that are secreted from the anterior pituitary. Wherever posterior pituitary secreting 2 hormones, one is ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone. Second is oxytocin. Oxytocin is known as milk ejecting hormone. This is also an important question. So these are hormones that are secreted from anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Now ligament connects bone to bone and tendon connects muscle to bone. The largest and the strongest bone in the human body is femur, that is present into the thigh. The largest muscle in the human body is gluteus maximus. Strongest muscle in the human body is masseter, present into the jaw. Smallest bone in the human body is stapes, present into the ear. Smallest muscle in the human body is stapedius, that is present into the ear. Length of esophagus is 25 cm. Length of small intestine is 22 feet or 7 meter. Large intestine length is 1.5 meter or 5 feet. Vitamin D is secreted by the kidney, also known as 1,25-dihydroxycholecalciferol. Erythropoietin is also secreted by the kidney. It is helpful in increasing number of RBC. Thank you for watching. All the questions that are included into this video, these are important questions. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.